Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. Today we have the biggest gang sheet in the world. And I've been seeing a lot of content of people posting their biggest gang sheet in the world. The originator, the gang sheet originator. Let's show them the largest gang sheet in the world. Let's get into it. Largest transfer in the world. Flash Custom Transfers. Highest quality, lowest prices, DTF. Largest transfer in the world.
Largest transfer in the world.
And it's still
largest transfer in the world.
Lot.
Flash Custom Transfers, nobody else can beat us. Look at her, she's running laps. Baby girl's running laps.
Let's see how much running this takes me.
Nobody else can beat us.
This is supposed to be 18 22 by 60s.
Yes.
I don't know how many feet that is.
And look how much is left.
Yeah, look, we
Look how
didn't
much
even
is
get a
left.
chance.
So shout out to
Youngsters Clothing.
Youngsters Clothing.
We appreciate you. He is a huge supporter of all of us, of our company. He is always on our lives, on our Instagram, all of that. So we appreciate you and giving us the opportunity to print for your company.
Yes, definitely. If you need a transfer,
The largest gang sheet in the world.
Flash Custom Transfers.
Yes, .com, or you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. And again, we did set up his gang sheet for him. He had his images already vectored, already ready to go. And then he is also a member, so he was able to get his gang sheets for $39.99 per sheet. Our membership is $8.99 per month, and it includes discounts with DTF, sublimation, Uvdtf, standard shipping, and expedited shipping. So check that out up below the membership link.
Definitely. That's it, guys. Largest transfer in the world. Some people do videos, but we do them bigger. Peace out.